Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering newspapers and judging ink and coatings so you don't use glossy or heavy ink pages. Once sorted, remove staples and tape to prevent tearing and rust spots. You want flexible sheets, so dampen in a shallow tray with about 0.5 to 1 cup of warm water per 10 sheets, just enough to soften fibers, not to pulp them. Make small stacks and press lightly with a book to absorb excess moisture. This keeps pages workable for the next step. Next, you choose the format. Roll for tubes, weave for mats, or fold into envelopes. This choice determines cutting and folding patterns. Once cut into strips, roll tightly for rods or braid 3 strips for rope-like strength. Use a dab of white glue, starch, or a short piece of twine to lock ends. Make sure to shape on a flat surface and dry partially sandwiched between waxed paper so layers settle. Once stable, trim edges and reinforce stress points, with extra wrapping where needed. Finally, you finish and protect your newspaper creation so it lasts. Apply a sealant. Brush on diluted PVA, a thin coat of wax or clear varnish. Let each coat dry before handling. Once cured, your item can be used for storage, seed starting, insulation, or crafts. If a joint separates, don't discard it. Reapply glue to the seam, clamp or press under a heavy flat object, and allow 12 to 24 hours to cure. Make sure to test water resistance before full use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.